Well, in this video, we are going to see what problem is happening with this update. Okay, I'm going to leave the largest number here, and what Microsoft has commented regarding this problem. As you can see, here we have it. It's this here. It tells you it is possible that some computers do not have a recovery partition large enough to complete this update. For this reason, errors may occur in the update. Here he explains a little, talks about how to have the update, and here tells you, to help you recover from this error, follow instructions to manually resize your partition. I will leave this link and this one in the description drawer. Here, it basically gives you step by step, super simple, the steps to take to reset all this. It tells us that we have to enter the command prompt. We have to write, execute what we have here. It explains a little about all the information. Then it says to shrink the operating system partition and prepare the disk for a new recovery partition. So here it is, everything step by step, and there are a lot of videos also. Probably these days, I will upload one on how to do it. And this would be, let's say, the solution they give. If you see that, for example, you do have space, or before, do all this, which I understand is a hassle that you want to try. The next 4 steps that I am going to take to try to solve it without having to do this, let's get to it. But obviously, if you realize that you do not have space in the partition, well, you already know what the problem is. The first solution, as always, we are going to go to the magnifying glass, and we are going to write solve, and we will go solve other problems. Here this window opens. We are going to go to Windows Update, and we are going to execute. It's going to take a while here. If there are problems, they will be executed. That's perfect. That's it. There are people who do the typical thing of pausing it, then removing it again, after restarting the computer. The truth is that I don't think it works, but I say it because there are people, from what I have read in forums, that works. The second thing we're going to look at, we're going to go to Command Prompt, and let's run as administrator. In this tool, we are going to see 3 possible solutions. Okay. The first of them, I'm sure you already know, is to write this we have here. What it does is search for processes on the computer that don't work and fixes it. This is going to take a while. There's going to be a bar that loads at the same time, 100%. It won't let me now because I have updates, and I need to restart the computer, but I wanted to make the video first. When this is finished, we close or write exit and restart the computer. The second thing is going to be exactly the same, but instead of writing, this is what we are going to write. I'm going to leave this, in the description drawer. We hit enter, and more of the same, okay? What you are going to try is here, it really bothers me, because it is to fix some type of problem that there is on the computer. I'm going to close it. I had recorded a third part changing some Windows command, just as they talk in many forums and in other videos. But really not. I think it is advisable to touch anything in the system when Microsoft already is giving us a bit of the solution. So nothing. I will leave everything in the description drawer as always. And if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments.